Hi everyone, my name is Odao Cosmos, the founder of Website School and also Sir Cosmos World. This is me here on the screen, and today I'll be showing you you how to enable social sharing on WordPress website. So after watching this video to the end, you'll be able to enable social sharing on any website easily. And also when visitors visit your website and they like your content, they can be able to share it easily from your website. So in order to do that, we would start before we start, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so as to get notification when I post a new video. Let's get started. Let's log into our website. Our website is websiteschool.xyz, and we are in the home page. As you can see, this is our home page. Once you scroll down, you can see our widget, and in the widget section we have the contact information. We have our address, email, and also the website. We also have the menu. We can also see the menu on the widget. In my previous video I talked about how to do this. So if you want to know how to do this, you can click on the description below, so you'll be able to see the link on how I was able to do this, so you'll be able to watch that particular video. Let's go straight to what we want to do, which is to be able to enable social sharing on this website. To do that, click on this customize button. After clicking on it, it brings you to this page which we are in. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do that. Now go to widget, and we have our contact info in footer 1, we have our menu in footer 2, and we would like to use this footer 3 to add up our social sharing. Let's click on add and then click on the social share, and now this opens. So let's scroll down. Now we have these social shares which we would like to uh, have in our widget. I would like to disable this. So it depends on the one you would like. I like to leave LinkedIn, Pinterest, Google Plus, Facebook, and Twitter. Now ensure that you leave this on, and after doing that, scroll to check if it's okay. Yes. Now you click on done. After doing that, publish. And let's visit our site to see if our change is taking place. Now let's refresh this. As you can see, let's refresh this site to see if the changes has taken place. Wow, it's looking beautiful. So basically, any user can share anything from your website using this. So this is how you can be able to enable social share on your WordPress website easily. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to get notification when I post a new video.